Ah, okay. So we should be able to start, I think. I'm just checking if I can hear my voice. Just checking. Okay, I can hear myself, so that's pretty fine. Let me cut off the music in background. So today, oh, I see there is some people. Nice. Hello, Tom. So today we are looking at the new snapshot 21w10, so week 10a. So apparently they switched to OpenGL Core 3.2, which is, I mean, it was time. I think Seraph was working on something way better, but yeah, I mean, 3.2 is more than enough. So what we will be looking is Lush Cave biome, because that's important. That part we don't care. Inverted variant, yeah, we don't care. Of course, it's a special word, and yeah, so there is not much change except apparently a new biome. There is new display. There is some stuff which were changed to order solution. Um, oh, we can spawn a large slime now. Nice. And we can give 100 stack. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Maybe let's start first. Okay, let me see if that done. Okay, so the compilation is finished, but let's first look at what is it in the game. So let's start Minecraft launcher. Uh, do, 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 do. Where is it? It's here. So now if I hide that, does it actually pick it up? No, I don't think it picked it up. Let me actually launch it. So latest snapshot. Yeah, maybe one day I will prepare myself. I mean, yeah, I would just want. Hello, Jim. Oh, I see that some people join in the VC also. Yeah, nice. And does it show? No, it doesn't register that one. So let me actually capture my game. So Minecraft. Okay, and let's transform it and fit to screen. Okay, so now you should be able to see Minecraft. Let's create a new world. So there seems to be a preset, I think. That's not actually that, so I guess I should actually use a single biome, and then I should look for Lush Cave. Lush Cave. Okay, I found it. Perfect. Okay, let's start. Yeah, I just want to get an idea of how it is looking, to see if there is it's a big change or yeah. So today we are looking at the new snapshot and what they did for the biome, a technical part. But first I want to look at what the biome looks like. Okay, it's pretty flat. Seems to be like a pale and noise base. Maybe a bit simplex in it. Is there like a background in underground? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, that looks way better. Let me actually give me some Nilka free night vision. Okay, okay, there's a lot of caves, so that's, yeah, okay, that's just, you know, standard cave, not much air. Mm. Yeah, I don't see much which indicate like a big change in the noise generation. Seems like just a biome add. Maybe I will be disappointed then. Ah,
It looks like the completion.
yeah, that seems like it. Oh, god damn it. Okay, let's take a win merge and let's look at it. Okay, so let's stack and then so I need to go in code fun and I need to go in the compiler. CSC. Oh, I I don't have 20. That's actually pretty bad. Oh, there was no snapshot last week. That's why. Okay. That makes more sense. Yeah, maybe I should use Guardian by everything. I don't know if it updated already to use new snapshot. So so they added a new entry. Should be no, actually they remove underground and as an entry. Yeah, they added a new entry here. So Lush Cave, okay. And level gen. Yeah, there is no change to biome at all. Ugh. Okay, feature. What did they change? They added a new foliage stuff. Okay, well, we don't care much about it. They change a few number in the cover. They apparently restricted the no. They increase the range by 0.1 for the cave ward, which is nice, I guess. Okay, they change some offset. Nah, not interesting. Feature. Okay, so they added the growing plant, which is yeah, it's um, well, the vine we saw earlier. Yeah, so there is not much interesting here. Root system build, so there is like a routing. Oh, I guess yeah, they added root, so they need something to simulate it. But they could use vine because I mean that's the same system anyway. Earth did that. Okay, yeah, that's a lot of decorator. Okay, so I'm really sad because there is not much interesting in that. That's just basic stuff. Yeah, there's nothing here. God darn it. Come on, you don't release a release for 1 week and you just release like a patch to add a new biome. It's not interesting. Like, did they? Okay, so they added that feature, so growing plant, vegetation path, root system. Yeah, maybe we can look at the root system to see if there is something crackable in it. Might be interesting actually.
Is there nothing with biome?
Well, there is vine, like, but if that's just like the root system, that's what they mean by vine. No, that's not interesting. Did they change anything in the aquifer? Okay, so they added a condition. Okay, that's great. The aquifer, they didn't change much here. Okay, that's fine. And lighting, they changed nothing here. Random source. Oh, that's actually no, that's actually just a decompiler stuff. Wait, no, that's interesting. They improve the next long and the next double. If you look at them, they actually inline a lot of stuff. So yeah,
Which class is that?
that would be a simple random source. So I guess
Oh,
yeah, the random generator instance.
it's the same. They just move things around.
Yeah, but for the next long, they actually remove the next in call. They just put the next in it, which is fine because yeah, basically that's the same.
Same thing, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, not much interesting. So let's go in here and guess. Let's look at. So let me hide that one. Okay. So that's Terranutil. Let's open the compiler MC. Okay. So code. The compiler fun. There's so much registry, you know. It's just a mess. Let this.
I'm not sure I'm understanding. How is the biome placed?
well, it's a decorator, so I guess they just look for the top block and then go down from it.
Doesn't make much sense.
Wait, let's look back at.
Have you checked the biome source just to make sure? Because
Yeah, I'm checking that right now. So world level, then I go in level gen, raise a feature. Tick, 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 So there is something called growing plant, vegetation patch, and waterlog vegetation. I'm guessing it's a growing plant, which is just inverted for the vine, something like that. That's okay, it's a growing plant. Oh no, that's just a drip lift. So they just name it. That's weird. Oh, okay. So they register it as Lush cave vegetation, which actually make everything in it. So there is moss patch, cave surface, then there is a range, and yeah, like
we don't see your screen.
you don't see my screen. Oh. Okay, I see. I think you are seeing as a. Oh, okay. Yeah. I need a third monitor. That's actually something I need. Okay, so yeah, they register a ledge cave here, which is used, but like there is moss patch in it, cave surface. There is not much in it. Where is it used? Okay, so there is lush cave ceiling vegetation. I guess that's the one. No, that's not what I wanted. So that one is moss patch, range to bottom. It's just not in. Mm. Oh, cave vine in moss. So I guess that's the one which we are looking for. So cave and mouse, which is a growing plant. Okay, so they just use the growing plant interface, which is a new thing, I guess. They added. Is it actually new? So it's in level gen feature, which is a growing plant. Yeah, that's a new thing they added. So that one is a new, and this is actually what they added. So they use a random from feature place config. Well, that's just random from feature, and then they use it. I need to revalidate everything, I guess. So they get a pro distribution, and they sample, which is so that's just a weighted list. Yeah, there's not much interesting in that. I mean, we could use, so what is this? Is it actually place? Yeah, we could use the length of the vine to actually get like some interesting information about the random of the feature. So I guess we could reverse, but we need a multi-decorator because that's just like one sample, which is not enough. Oh, what the fuck? Why is there so many people in the stream? That's like 70 people, that's not normal. Anyway, yeah, that's like not interesting as a stream. Oh, god darn it. I wish they actually did the stuff about the biome. So let's look at the placement because they did some change actually to the placement. They did the cave surface. So yeah, they actually distinguish between the ceiling and the floor, which is nice because that actually gives like a dimension to the cave. But they still need to do the side wall, I guess. They did also cave decorator configuration. Okay, that's just standard stuff. Yeah, okay, that's not interesting to watch. And edge decorator. The edge decorator, which is wait, where is it? Oh, it was something that was before that was removed. Okay. Okay, so they just move stuff around. Okay, nice. That seems right. They changed nothing to the other stuff. Chick track was not moved. No, that's not moved. Yeah, they didn't change much in that snapshot actually. Well, except I guess the fact they now use OpenGL. So I guess if we go back to the merge stuff. Okay. So if we look at the client, they should be in the renderer and they should have changed a lot of stuff. Yeah, so no, of course they need some curl, which are changed. I guess the cube map was changed a lot. Yeah, yeah, of course, because they okay, but just a bit of genify. But I mean, that's a bit nicer. The fog renderer. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so they move there's like a hard-coded value to actually use like a standard value, which is a bit nicer, I guess. Tak, yeah, that's those. So yeah, they move a lot of stuff because they need to update to match the shader from OpenGL 3.2. There's not much error change. But did they change the particle? That's not. Okay. Okay, so yeah, because they don't need to hack around everything, so that's a bit better. Yeah, it's great. Mojang is finally going in the 2010. Which is, I mean, yeah. Okay, yeah. Well, that's a bust today. Bit sad. I mean, we could still play around everything, but I mean, don't think there is much to actually see in that release. I'm sure there will be ton of bug with actually like they change a bit of stuff in how everything is rendered, so I guess there will be a lot of artifact. Let's actually play just oh, my game crashed actually. Nice. I guess it didn't like OBS. That's not really nice. Why is everybody talking about cactus? Cactus is a project we have been running for like at least a year now on Blink. Well, not actually a year, but 6 months. Let's create just a new one to see how the performance are compared to other version. I remember that like 2 snapshot ago it was like blazing fast and I was like, whoa, that's not standard, but I guess maybe just because I'm on overpowered PC now. So let's see. That's 30 FPS. That's not a lot. That's not a lot at all. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Any plan with Mpwig? Oh, no. I mean, it was mostly just because I have had time at some point and then, yeah, time ran out. So, yeah, currently I'm working on other stuff. Yeah, that's not a lot. Did they change anything in the video setting? Can we change, like, let's look at Fabulous. Okay, everything is at the top. Yeah. So let's I don't recall my which is to see the chunk no shows least focus pose. Oh, I don't recall how to show the graph. Was it H, J? No, that one, not that one. Okay, that's not what I wanted, but okay.
It's all the three.
Oh. God darn it. Okay. Yeah, I see a lot of spy. Yeah, I mean, TPS is looking okay, I wish. Well, I mean, they didn't change anything. I was mostly looking at the rendering because I was expecting a bit more. Because they should like use newer stuff, but I guess they didn't optimize for that yet. So we are still at, yeah, less than 60 FPS. Which is like, yeah. I mean, I have a game which run way better than that. Yeah. It's a bit sad because Minecraft used to be so lightweight, then they added so much stuff. And then, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I mean, we could play around with Tyrannutil, I guess. I mean, since I'm actually on my computer and so on. I mean, I don't see any point to look in the snapshot code more because they didn't change anything which are related to what we want. So, like, we could look at, yeah, maybe Tyrannutil. I mean, that's not really interesting at all. Like, that's mostly an utility I'm working currently on. Yeah. I mean, oh, is there new trees in it? I didn't see new trees. Oh, actually, see, yeah, I saw new trees. I remember where it was. Let me actually close that one. So feature. Tick tick tick. Oh, that's not that one. Water level chain little 2. So there is a new stuff in foliage place area. They change that one. No, that's not really a change. Okay. the random spread. That one is new. Yeah, that one is new. Okay, so what did they do? What's lot of random minus random? That's not interesting per se. So yeah, they just use like some number stuff, which is yeah just doing vertical, which we don't like because yeah, that's just random spread foliage. That's not really an interesting tree. I mean, maybe it actually does an interesting pattern. I didn't look in it much. Maybe it's actually a nice pattern. Uh, let's look at tick, 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 that word was correct one. So which tree was it? It's not air. I guess it's a surface, something like that. Mm. Oh yeah, yeah. So that's clearly random. Yeah, that's really bad. Oh, that's so bad. Ugh. Yeah, so like there's a core and then they offset by something. So like yeah, that's not that good. Let me actually switch. So I guess the core tree should be 3 by 3, I guess. Something like that. Should be 3 by 3, then they offset everything.
Are the biomes still 2D? Is the surface gonna look like that?
They didn't change anything to biome. They didn't.
Oh,
They didn't make any change to biome. This snapshot is just adding the lush cave, which is just like features in it. That's like a preset.
oh,
They added a preset, then they added like feature in it. So that's like normal gen, and then they just like parameterize everything with like clay and stuff like that.
oh, I see.
Yeah, so like that's not like a per biome. That's like a feature biome, which is really weird.
Yeah,
Like Lush Cave is not in the biome generator at all for the moment. It's just like a custom biome. I started with a single biome.
it's so weird.
I mean, I guess because they need feedback on actually if the Lush Cave look good enough, then they will actually make the 3D stuff in the biome stack. Then they will actually include it. I guess they are tinkering with it like in Bedrock because they are doing stuff in Bedrock right now with the mountain. So that one could be applied also to cave and stuff like that. Because yeah, mountain and cave are the same stuff basically, just inverted.
Makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I hope it doesn't stay like this. This is...
Yeah, you cannot get for now lush cave. So what you need to do is actually create a new world, then go in the world option, then choose single biome, and then go here at lush cave. So it should be at the bottom. Lush cave here, and then you can create a biome, which is I mean that's okay for now, but yeah, I want to see how they actually implement it. And they say that they change the biome or distribution a bit, but I mean yeah, but it's not really important per se. Creative. Yeah, so that's just normal word generation. There's nothing to see except the tree, which are just random, which is, I mean, that's funny, but I mean, it gives us a bit more to crack actually because there is more call, but because it's random next int minus random next int, it's actually pretty hard to do. So here you can see actually the offset, which is yeah, I mean, this call, you know that it's actually random next in, which was like a maximum and then a 0 or a minus something. Yeah, but I mean,
This looks ridiculous, yeah.
mm, it looked too square. That's the problem actually. Like normal trees look a bit more like trees, well, normal trees, I guess.
Yeah.
Look,
Did you know trees look more like trees?
yeah, that's actually pretty interesting. Yeah, that's some wisdom for you. Uh, let's take that one. 1 minute. Oh, did they change? Oh no, it's just because I didn't reestablish my key binding. I mean, that's a tree. That's not a tree. Yeah, don't quote me on that space. Yeah, it's biome stuff. Oh, the cave are still not fixed. Like, it's so squared. That's so bad. And then when you go down, let me actually give me an effect.
Wait, can you have 3G? I
Uh,
want to see where the border is here.
it should be right or maybe like a 4 offset. Why is it not showing? Oh, why is not the border showing? What the frick? Chunk border broken. Okay. Let me log off. Maybe it's actually just because I was logged in. Something wrong. Okay, so chunk border not working. What the freaking fly?
That's
No, I guess that's just because I started something wrong, because earlier I think I saw them. So I guess I just need to restart my Minecraft.
oh, maybe the effect.
Oh, does actually the effect. Oh, actually, I need to open it. Effect clear. No, that's not. Let me restart Minecraft to see if it's actually that. I guess there should be a bug report by now if it's actually. Okay, so it's broken for everybody. Okay, yeah. So Mr. Say, yeah, there should be a bug report already up. We can ask in Mojira if not.
Mhm.
Yeah, well, I'm guessing it's actually like a multiple of 4, or maybe actually the world border, which would not make like a much difference. But yeah, anyway, it's still broken and they will not fix it at least for a few moments. The part of the aquifer, because they are focused on so much stuff. Let's look at bug report watching. So I need to look at open, then I need to look at Java Edition. I don't see. Can I filter by? Yeah, I don't see it yet on the bug report, but it should be soon. Yeah, actually it exited again. What the fly? Okay, yeah, so there is a bug report. Okay. Yeah, I guess because they updated, they have so much trouble with the new driver and so on. Yeah, we can crack the seed of another world generation. You can use like let me actually show you. Tick tick tick. Okay, so you can use a mod by Mr. X, which is in the chat right now. Seed cracker. X. So if you go in video, that's not what I wanted. YouTube. Okay. So if you look at this, no, I don't want to log in. This video,
Hello.
you can actually see how to do it. I can put it here if you want. That's really easy. And if you don't have like fungus, you can use structure and stuff like that to actually crack it. So that's not really hard. Let's look here. Okay, yeah. And it was assigned 24 minutes ago, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's it's a bug since it's Lala's bug. Yeah. 128 people. I mean, why? Why people are watching my stream? It's not like interesting at all. It's mostly like standards. Well, it was a deception mostly. Okay, well, I guess that will be done for today. I hope that next week they will actually make the change to Wargen so we can actually tinker with that and maybe look for nice stuff. But for today, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in.